Hello everyone, welcome to another PayPal tutorial video. Today in this video I will show you how to share PayPal link to receive money. So basically a PayPal link is called paypal.me link as well. So what you want to do first is you want to log in into your PayPal account. What you can also do is you can go to paypal.me as well. From paypal.me right here you can click on paypal.me and you can basically go here and you will land on paypal.me. Now here you have your new link to receive online payments. So basically you can go here and create a paypal.me link. Now all you have to do is just sign up or log in into your PayPal and then go to this link right here, which is, again, if you go to Google, just click this link right here. Now from here you can create a PayPal link and you'll need to obviously log in into your PayPal. Right after you log in into your PayPal, you will basically be able to use your PayPal link. Now, as you can see, you can personalize it, right? You can choose your username to create your PayPal link. You can then share it with someone. That someone can pay you money to your PayPal link. Obviously, you can change the money, the amount of money you want to send. If someone is sending this to you, right, they can change the amount of money, they can send. And then you'll receive the information that the payment is registered and that someone sent you the payment. So that's how easy it is to set up and share PayPal link to receive money. Again, where you share that link will depend upon you, because if you are sharing this on your Twitter or on your social media or somewhere else, it will depend on you. So that's basically how to share PayPal link to receive money. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below and we will see you in the next video.